Welcome to our comprehensive guide on bathroom cleaning supplies. Bathtub sparkles. In this video, we'll walk you through the must-have products to keep your bathroom looking pristine. Say goodbye to soap, scum, grime, and unpleasant odors as we show you the best tools for the job. For a deep dive into expert cleaning tips, clever hacks, and DIY cleaning recipes, make sure to explore the wealth of knowledge waiting for you at cleanlifeblog.com. Dive into a world of cleaning wisdom that will transform your home into a pristine oasis. Here is a list of common cleaning supplies used in the bathroom. Toilet bowl cleaner. This product is specifically designed to clean and disinfect the inside of the toilet bowl. Bathroom cleaner, a versatile cleaner that can be used on various bathroom surfaces, including countertops, sinks, and showers. Tile and grout cleaner, used to remove stains, mold, and mildew from bathroom tiles and grout lines. Glass cleaner, ideal for cleaning mirrors, glass shower doors, and any glass surfaces in the bathroom. Disinfecting wipes, these are convenient for quick wipes of bathroom surfaces to kill germs and bacteria. Scrubbing bubbles, a foaming bathroom cleaner that helps to remove soap, scum, and tough stains. Mold and mildew remover, designed specifically to tackle and prevent mold and mildew growth in damp areas of the bathroom. Toilet brush and holder, used for scrubbing and cleaning the inside of the toilet bowl. Sponges and scrubbers, various types of sponges and scrubbing pads are handy for cleaning surfaces and removing grime. Bathroom deodorizer, sprays or fresheners to keep the bathroom smelling fresh. Rubber gloves, protect your hands while cleaning with these gloves. Trash bags, essential for disposing of bathroom trash. Broom and dustpan, used for sweeping up any dirt or debris on the bathroom floor. Vacuum cleaner, if your bathroom has a carpet or rugs, a vacuum cleaner may be needed. Microfiber cloths, great for wiping down surfaces without leaving streaks. Remember to always follow the instructions on the cleaning products and ensure proper ventilation when using them in enclosed spaces like bathrooms. Don't forget to follow my page for all the latest cleaning hacks.